someone who loves to bake cookies, then this recipe is definitely for you. क्योंकि आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं shortbread cookies, जो सिर्फ टेस्ट में ही नहीं पर दिखने में भी बहुत क्यूट है. These buttery cookies are perfect for any hamper. They're easy, crispy, buttery and melts in your mouth. बहुत सारा एनर्जी दे दिया मैंने. और आज के ट्यूटोरियल के लिए I have flavored these buttery cookies with cranberry and rose. Doesn't it sound mouth-watering? Hey guys, I am Chef Aruna from Truffle Baking School, where we turn your passion for baking into a profitable business. और अगर आप ये वीडियो पहली बार देख रहे हो, then subscribe to our channel, क्योंकि we share exciting recipes every week, जो बनाती है आपको एक better baker. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले हम बटर को सॉफ्ट करेंगे विद अ स्पैचुला. अब हम इसमें सिफ्टेड आइसिंग शुगर डाल के मिक्स कर लेंगे. Now in this we'll add in condensed milk and then mix again. So जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो condensed milk अच्छे से मिक्स हो चुका है. Now we'll sift all the dry ingredients starting from all-purpose flour. Followed by almond flour. Wee, salt रह गया. Followed by almond flour and salt. After sifting, we'll add in rose petals and finely chopped cranberries. Then we'll give it a mix. The texture will be sandy, so mix dry ingredients with the fingertips only. अब हम इसमें milk and rose essence डालेंगे to make a proper dough. Now we'll place this dough in between two sheets of butter papers and roll it into 8 mm thickness. Now we'll keep it in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes or until it's easier to cut it. And if you're liking this recipe, then I'm sure आपको हमारे बटर कुकीज़ की रेसिपी भी ज़रूर पसंद आएगी, जिसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन एरिया पे मिल जाएगी. So it's been more than 10 minutes. Now we'll cut it into strips. The width of the strips will be ½ inch and the length will be 5 inch. We'll place them in the baking tray, leaving space in between the cookies. We'll also cover the cookies with a perforated mat. Okay guys, so our cookies are ready to be baked. Now we'll bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. So our cookies are out of the oven and have completely cooled down. Now it's time to decorate them. And for that, we'll simply dip them halfway in melted pink chocolate. and sprinkle some rose petals on top. And with this, we are done with the cutest and one of the most delicious shortbread cookies. I hope आपको हमारी ये रेसिपी जरूर पसंद आई. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified. And I'll be back with another new recipe. Till then, keep baking.